In this video, I will show you how to use Desmos to create a dot plot, histogram, and a box plot. This link for graph and this link for calculation. This is two groups of data I got to use to show you how to create a box plot in the Desmos. First of all, I will select the data for the first group. Then I click this link. For this U, I will delete. Then Control V, copy your data over here. Then use the same way you can copy the second group data for this V. Control V to copy the second group of data. For this W, this is not my data, so you will unhighlight this box plot W. So you could see the data U and V were drawn on this Desmos. We got to do some change. Click here. For the x-axis, it will be from 46 to, let's change here, 85. Then change the label for x-axis. It will be distance miles. Then go here, box plot U. You can change offset. I want this box plot U to be here, 20. So I change here 20. You could see the box plot is on the horizontal line y equals 20. For box plot V, I will change into 40. Also, you can change the height of this box. You can change into 10 if you want. You can click this outlier. It will show the data. So when you calculate the stats of the data, you need to exclude all these outliers. If you click here, then all this is gone. Then go back here. Uncheck this y-axis. For box plot, you don't need labels on the y-axis. Then you click here. Export the image. Then download. Then copy, paste to the Word document. Yeah, this is good enough now. After we got the box plot from Desmos, we want to fill out this table. So remember, exclude the outliers from your data and then copy. We will use the second link. Then you delete the data for L1, then Ctrl-V, copy your data. So you could see here, they give you the summation of all the data. You get the mean, you get the standard deviation, variance of the data. Also, you can find those 5 numbers of the data: minimum, maximum, median, the first quartile, the third quartile. If you want to see the box plot here, you can change the number for x-axis. Let's do here's 85. This will be from 50. Then you could see this box plot. After this, you can do the same thing to the group 2, so that you can get all the values for group 2. Then you can fill out this table. Let's go back to the first link. I will unhighlight this box plot. I want to draw histogram for the data from group 1. Click here to change. This time we need a y-axis. For y-axis, or let's do -5. For the step, let's do 5. Then for this histogram, you can change the bin width. This is a 2, let's change into 4. After you finish, we can click here. Export image, download. Then copy to your Word document. After you finish editing this picture, you could see you will get a very nice histogram from Desmos. You can get a histogram for group 2 and highlight the histogram for group 1. Then click here. For the bin width, we will get the same number as the first one. So this is a 4. Then you can copy paste to your Word document. For the dot plot, you can click here to get the dot plot graph for group 1 data. Click here, you will get the dot plot graph for the data from group 2. Remember, for the Desmos, you always click here, download the image, then copy the picture to your Word document.